Hey everyone, just had an accident, health emergency, or property damage? Filing an insurance claim in the USA can be confusing. But don't worry, I'm here to make it simple for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact process of filing a claim for health, car, home, and life insurance in 2025. Stick around till the end for some pro tips to avoid claim rejections. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what an insurance claim actually is. An insurance claim is a formal request you make to your insurance company to cover financial losses under your policy. You file claims when you get into a car accident, have a medical emergency, your house gets damaged, or a policyholder passes away. Each type of claim follows a different process, so let's go step by step. Starting with health insurance claims. If you have medical expenses and want your health insurance to cover them, here's what you need to do. First, check if the hospital billed your insurer directly. If they did, you're in luck. You don't need to file a claim manually. If not, you'll need to file a claim yourself. Get an itemized bill from your doctor or hospital, fill out your insurance company's claim form, and attach medical reports, prescriptions, and receipts. Submit it online or via mail. Follow up, as insurance claims take about 7 to 30 days to process. Pro tip: make sure your treatment is covered under your policy to avoid claim rejection. Next up, car insurance claims. Got into a car accident? Here's what you need to do immediately. Call 911 and report the accident to the police. Gather evidence by taking clear photos of your car, the other vehicle, and the accident scene. Exchange details with the other driver, including their name, insurance information, and license plate number. Contact your insurance company and report the accident ASAP. Submit your claim with the police report, photos, and repair estimates from a mechanic. Auto claims typically take 1 to 3 weeks to process. And remember, never accept cash from the other driver instead of filing a claim. It could backfire later. Now let's talk about home insurance claims. If your home was damaged due to a fire, flood, or burglary, here's what to do. Take photos and videos of all the damage before starting repairs. Check your policy to ensure the type of damage is covered. Report to your insurer and start the claim process. Get repair estimates from a licensed contractor. Schedule an inspection, as your insurer will send an adjuster to evaluate the damage. Home claims can take weeks to months to process, depending on the severity of the damage. A helpful tip: keep an updated inventory of your belongings to make claims easier. Now let's go over life insurance claims. If a loved one has passed away and had a life insurance policy, here's how to claim the payout. Gather documents like the original death certificate and policy details. Fill out a claim form, usually available on the insurance company's website. Submit the documents online or by mail. Claims usually take 14 to 60 days to process. Pro tip: if the policyholder had unpaid loans against the policy, the payout might be reduced. Finally, what if your claim gets rejected? Claim rejection can be frustrating, but you can appeal. First, understand the reason for rejection from the letter provided by the insurer. Gather additional evidence if needed. Request a review by calling customer service. And if your claim is unfairly denied, consider contacting a lawyer. Most companies have a 30-day appeal window, so act fast. And that's a complete A to Z guide on filing insurance claims in 2025. Whether it's health, auto, home, or life insurance, following these steps will help you avoid delays and rejections. Have you ever faced an insurance claim rejection? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more finance and insurance guides. See you in the next one. Pause, subscribe, and turn on notifications.